Welcome back students. So in this video I am going to discuss about newly introduced ifs function. So till now whenever we need to give more than one logical conditions we are going to nest if. We have seen one example. Let's say out of this total means that's the total score. So based on this total score, if the student's score is less than 40 then fail. We have done this. Okay, now if it's going to be between 40 to 60 then it's compartment, and if it's 60 above then pass. So in a normal if condition, when we apply the if condition normally, then there is this logical test, then value true and then value false. So what we have done, that we have selected this particular cell based on which we are going to apply the condition. So if this particular cell value is less than or let's say equal to 40, or right now I'm let's say going with only less than 40, then it's going to be fail. Now in place of value false, we apply if function again. So this particular methodology known as nested if means applying if under another if function. Now we have replaced that with ifs. It's not like you can't use if nested, you can, but here Excel has given you a better option, which is ifs function. So how to apply that, let me show you. So equal to, I'm going to apply ifs. Now here is going to be logical test 1, means the first logical condition you will have to apply. So if this particular cell value is less than 40, value is true. What's your value you want to come over here? If it's going to be less than 40, then student will be fail. So I want fail to come. So within quotation I am giving fail, comma. Now it's coming logical test 2. Now we have given the logical test 1. Now there comes logical test 2. So the logical test is if this particular cell value is less than 60. So here you can see I'm not going to nest another if, because under ifs condition you can give n number of logical tests, and accordingly based on that you can give what's going to happen if its value gonna be true. So again less than 40 was fail, means till now it has been locked. So if I'm giving less than 60, so it's going to consider between 40 to 60, then it's going to be compartment, fine. So in value if true 2 we have given compartment, comma, logical test 3. Now in the nested if what we have done, we have given these two conditions, and in the false condition we have given pass simply, because if the student score is not less than 40, or let's say between 40 to 60, not even less than 60, then automatically that will be considered as pass, because that's going to be greater than 60. But here you will have to apply the logical test. So the logical test is going to be if this particular cell value is greater than 60, not less than 60 but greater than 60, comma, value if true, then it's going to be pass. So we are done. No further logical test required over here. So bracket close, enter, and we have got the result. Let me drag it. Fine. Now whatever I have taught you regarding the nature of if function, that is whatever condition you are going to apply first, the function is going to be locked on this, and that's applied over here also. That has not changed at all. That's a universal law and that will not be changed at all. Okay, so let's say in order to demonstrate what I mean, I'm going to change this greater than 60 to greater than 30. Then again you will see there is not going to be any impact at all, because less than 40 is locked. Again less than 60 is locked because we have applied these conditions first. After that you have applied greater than 30, so it's not going to be considered up till 60. So after 60 is going to be pass. Okay, this is not in order to confuse you, this is just to demonstrate whatever condition you are going to apply first, the function is going to be locked on this. It is very important to understand in the nested if also and in ifs condition also, because definitely if we are applying ifs, that means we are applying more than one condition. So this is it for the video. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.